Understanding rice and beans, a staple in many cultures. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, rice and beans. This phrase is not just about food. It's a part of culture, history, and daily life in many parts of the world. Let's dive into the rich world of rice and beans and learn how this simple dish holds a significant place in various cultures. Rice and beans refers to a dish made primarily of, as the name suggests, rice and beans. This dish is known for its nutritional value, ease of cooking, and affordability. It's a staple food in many countries, especially in Latin America, the Caribbean, and parts of Africa and Asia. The simplicity of the ingredients, rice, a cereal grain, and beans, a type of legume, belies the incredible variety of recipes and preparations found around the world. In many cultures, rice and beans is more than just a meal. It symbolizes sustenance, comfort, and home. It represents a coming together of different culinary traditions and ingredients. In some cultures, this dish is a daily meal, reflecting the economic reality and agricultural practices of the region. It's a symbol of nourishment and a testament to the resourcefulness of people in creating delicious meals from simple, accessible ingredients. The phrase, rice and beans, also finds its way into the language and expressions of people. In some regions, it's used to refer to something that is fundamental or essential, just like the dish is a fundamental part of the diet. It can also imply something that is ordinary or commonplace, yet vital and necessary. Understanding these connotations can provide deeper insight into the cultures and values of the people who use this phrase. Let's explore how different cultures prepare rice and beans. From the Cajun and Creole versions in Louisiana to the feijoada in Brazil, each recipe tells a story. These variations reflect the local ingredients, historical influences, and culinary techniques of each region. By learning about these dishes, we not only learn to cook but also to appreciate the rich cultural tapestry they represent. We hope this exploration of rice and beans has been enlightening and enjoyable. This simple dish, a cornerstone of many diets around the world, is a wonderful example of how food can bring us together and teach us about different cultures and traditions. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to bringing you more interesting topics in our future videos. Happy learning, and remember, sometimes the simplest things can have the deepest meanings.